Welcome back, guys. Do you post videos about entertainment, tech, or educational purpose? I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually set or select category for your YouTube channel so that YouTube gets to know your niche whenever you post videos. So guys, to do this, you are going to be doing this on the YouTube web and not the YouTube app. So to be able to do this, you just want to log in to your YouTube channel, either by going to your Chrome browser or by going to your Safari browser. So you just want to go to www.youtube.com and it's going to take you to this page. So on this page, I want you to check the bottom right corner. You're going to see a profile icon over there that belongs to you. I want you to tap on that. So once you tap on that, it's going to take you to this page. On this page, if you check the top, you're going to see your name written over there. Under your name, you're going to see view channel. So I want you to tap on that view channel. So once you tap on that view channel, you are going to see customize channel over here. So I want you to tap on customize channel. So once you tap on customize channel, it is going to take you to your YouTube studio on this YouTube web. So let's tap on the customize channel. So guys, once you tap on the customize channel, it is going to bring you to this YouTube studio. So once you land on this YouTube studio, this is what I want you to do. If you check the bottom left corner, you're going to see an icon over there. So I want you to tap on that icon, a settings icon. So once you tap on that settings icon, it is going to load up a page for you. So as you can see on here, if you check the left side, you're going to see some things written over there. So once it pops out for you, I want you to tap on upload default. So once you tap on upload default, I want you to, if you check the right side, you're going to see basic info and advanced settings. So I want you to tap on advanced settings. So once you tap on advanced settings, if you check here very well, you're going to see where it says category. So I want you to tap on that category. So once you tap on the category, just want to select the category, the category your video belongs to. So once you do that, just want to tap on the save at the bottom right corner. You're going to see save. Once you tap on that save, your category will be saved successfully to your channel. So guys, this is how you can actually set your category for your videos on YouTube. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.